If you're brand new to self-publishing and you might be asking yourself, how can I even publish my book on Amazon as a beginner? Because the internet might make you feel like you need tons of experience or you need permission to start. You don't. You just need to understand what Amazon actually expects in a book and what it doesn't expect. In this video, I'll be breaking down the 3 things that are important for beginners to remember as they're publishing their first book. My name is Jenny Hansen-Lane. I've been publishing for 4 years, which is wild, and I've crossed 6 figures, and I've helped so many beginners get started. I have a beginner course called the Starter Kit, where I help beginners upload their first book. And that brings me to my very first point that I want to talk about, and that is beginner status is not actually a disadvantage. Amazon does not rank you based off of your experience, only execution. And I am living proof of this because when I started publishing, I published 200 books in 30 days because I was trying to figure out the algorithm. And I was rewarded for those reps because each book got better and better. And my first month on Amazon, well, my first 21 days, I made $18.19. My first 30 days totaled out to $32. And so that was proof that a beginner was not a disadvantage. It was all about execution. So if you're within the sound of my voice and you're a beginner, I want you just to ask yourself that question. Have I taken the execution? Now, if you haven't, that is also really normal. That's exactly why I created the Self-Publish Starter Kit to help beginners upload their first book. There is something wild that happens within our brain when we get our first book published. We hit submit, we see it on Amazon, or we get it in the mail. Not only is it dopamine, but it is a confidence boost. And so once I saw my students doing that repeatedly, I knew that I needed to help more beginners. And so at the time of this video, we have over 3,000 students that have uploaded their first book. If you are a beginner and you're like, I want to do that, just drop the word kit below and I'll give you a link. There is a bonus for community support. Let's go to number 2 because number 1 is important. I want you just to remember that you don't need experience to start. I'm living proof of that. Like, I just started publishing, okay? Number 2, clarity beats confusion. And you're like, duh, what does that actually mean? You need to be focused on clear topics when you put a book on Amazon. And this has come up time and time again because so many people say that Amazon is saturated. And the truth is, yes, saturation means sales. Isn't that a blessing? Isn't that a gift? That is a big privilege to be able to be in a marketplace where 90 million monthly buyers are shopping and 2.1 million books are sold around the world, with over 70% happening on Amazon. It's the marketplace we want to be publishing, okay? So that is a really important step to number 2, is that make sure you're focused on clear topics, because it will always outperform sticking one book on Amazon and just calling it notebook. Now, we could certainly go deeper on this for clear topics. So I'll say one more example. You've heard me probably say this if you're new to this channel, you probably have not, but I like to think about each book that I publish as a birthday party, as a birthday present. Like, what am I actually creating that is clear for the Amazon buyer? Because I use the example of coloring book, let's go a little bit deeper on this. There's over 80,000 coloring books that try to show up in the results when you type in that 2-word keyword, right? It is a short tail keyword. Imagine publishing a coloring book and being on a street with 80,000 other people selling a coloring book. We need to cut through the noise with our clarity. Clarity is knowing a clear topic. So if you plan to focus on coloring books, what type of coloring book? Who is it for? Just understanding what type and who it is for brings more clarity to you as the book creator, to Amazon as the book supplier and to the Amazon buyer who is actually giving you those royalties at the end of the day. So do not skip on this part and quit telling yourself that everything's oversaturated. It just means you're creating an excuse. Maybe you don't like money. I'm not going to make those assumptions, but let's work to get clear on the topics so they can generate income for us, okay? So, number one, we talked about beginner. Being a beginner is not a disadvantage. I'm proof of that. Number two, clarity will always beat confusion. And number three, which a lot of people will disagree with me, and that's okay. This is based off of publishing 615 books. Your first book is a learning asset. It does not have to be perfect. Silence, right? Like, I'm not going to drop my mic. I don't think this is mic drop worthy. It's just the truth for me that when I decided to publish, I knew every time I would learn something new. That's part of the reason that I have 615 books. I learn every time I put in the rep. So think of publishing individual books as learning the system, as updating books for the system, okay? It's really important that that's clear because that gives you the opportunity to put in the reps to find those successful niches. One book is not going to, well, and this is my sample size, one book is not going to make you a millionaire overnight. If that has happened to you, please put it in the chat so we can cheer for you as an anomaly. Okay. This is a game of reps. This is a game of understanding the buyer's market for strangers on Amazon. Okay. And it is a cool place to be because you do not ship the book yourself. You do not print the book yourself. You don't even have to pay to have the file stored online. As a course creator, that's why I love YouTube also. Like, I'm not paying YouTube to store my videos. They're storing my files and they're paying me monthly. If you guys watch the videos, which I thank you for doing so, let me know which one of these three stick out to you the most. Beginner is not a disadvantage, right? Clarity always beats confusion, having clear topics, and putting your first book out there is a learning asset. Every time you publish, you're getting better and better and you're learning. I have a free training coming up if you'd like to come. I'll put a link below. It's in the first line of the description. I talk about how I crossed 6 figures and the 3 things that I did to do so. This channel is devoted to helping you understand that books are profitable. And so please drop comments on things you would like to see on this channel, and I am cheering for you. If you don't quit, you can't lose, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.